Tucked away on Whiskey Creek is this very special home being offered by Deneen Bazan Meyer with Remax Realty Group. Deneen, tell us about this home.
Sure, I'm really excited to share what this home has to offer. This Gulf Access home sits on just over half an acre and is one of the larger lots that you'll find in this area. It's located on a cul-de-sac on a very quiet street and is less than 20 minutes to the Caloosahatchee River by boat.
How about some of the particulars about this house?
This home is 2,900 square feet under air and features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, large great room with high ceilings, wood burning fireplace, and the sliders have newly installed electric hurricane shutters. This spacious formal dining room is perfect for family gatherings. The beautiful master suite and updated master bathroom has a large walk-in closet and walk-in shower that has plenty of natural light. The updated Eden kitchen has stainless steel appliances and has 2 sets of sliders that open up to this tranquil outdoor space. You have a lagoon-like swimming pool, and you even have your own live koi pond. Western exposure allows for sun over your pool all day long. As you walk into the backyard down to your dock, you'll admire all this beautiful mature landscaping, which gives you plenty of privacy. Down at your dock, you'll enjoy seeing manatees, dolphins, and all sorts of wildlife. Your dock is complete with a 16,000-pound covered boat lift, gazebo, and fire pit.
So, how can we find out more information about this home?
Sure, you can log on to 5621 soleracourt.thebestlisting.com, or you can call me directly at 239 224 8477.